This is my new dance, Quando Samba. It is a 32 counts forward high beginner level line dance. There is one tag in this dance. Hope you enjoy. Let me show you the counts. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backward.
E baciandomi dirai
A 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. Section 2, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6. I hope you enjoy the dance. Thank you very much for watching.